after years of being on my own, I got tired of being alone. Your picture came across my phone. I sent you a wink and we talked every day. April 17th, you took my breath away for the very first time. Ever since then, you've been mine, 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 mine. You are strong when I am weak. I'm a free spirit, but you hold the string. I'm a wildfire, you consume all the flames. I'm alive, why? Oh, but you keep me sane. You are brave when I need a shoulder, keep me safe. As we grow older, I will cherish all the little things you got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you, yeah. I had been tucked away. There's so much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved the most in the world. Then came this beautiful girl. You shined your light and lit up my heart. Ever since that night I held you in my arms, I knew it was always you. You walked into my life and everything changed. Ever since that night you took my breath away for the very first time. Ever since then, you've been mine. You believe when I have doubts. You're the one thing I just can't live without when I'm scared. Oh, you hold my hand, always there to help me understand. And your brown eyes break right through my walls, right by my side to catch me when I fall. And I will cherish all the little things you got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you. You are strong when I am weak. I'm a free spirit, but you hold the string. I'm a wildfire, you consume all the flames. I'm a live wire, oh, but you keep me sane. And your brown eyes break right through my walls, right by my side to catch me when I'm falling. I will cherish all the little things you got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you, yeah. Da, 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 da.
fun since, well, I don't know. We finally have a few days off and know where we gotta be. So why don't we hop in that jalopy of ours and go see what's out there to see? So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. First stop, we should try that cafe, the one everyone's talking about, and grub until we can't feel our feet, then go and lay down somewhere nice to watch that sunset settling under the streets, that hang with the locals, get a whole lot loco with everyone that we meet. So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. Well, there's nothing better than 48 hours, wide lines and what's ahead. The perfect sidekick, my co-pilot, this is as good as it gets. Seeing the world with the wind in our hair, no place we gotta go. Got the speakers on 10, a 2-day weekend, you and I in the open roads. So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. So let's push play.